Hey guys, does this ever happen to you? Well, I have the best solution for that. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Want to learn how you can win this? Stay tuned to the end. So the good folks over at Naztech.com sent me this awesome product. It is called the Ultimate Charging Station Pro. Let's dive in. Okay, let's open this up. 4,000 milliamp power bank, 15 watt USB-C PD, and a 10 watt USB port. Nice. This thing looks like an Apple TV. It's really cool looking. So satisfying. All right, we got 30 watt USB-C PD, 18 watt fast charge 3.0, and two 15 watt USB, a 15 watt wireless charger, and a USB-C PD input. This is the wall adapter. It's 65 watts PD, and it's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Stay tuned for part 2 where we put this guy to the test. So if you guys like this product, go to Naztech.com and use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your purchase. How do you win this? So all you're gonna do is like and follow, share this with somebody, tag 2 friends, comment done. Once you get it all done and we get to 1,000 followers, we're gonna do a live event, and that's when you're gonna be able to win that product and a couple other products that we're gonna be giving away. Don't forget guys to like and follow for more.